today I'm going to be looking for my lost truck. I crashed it and haven't been able to find it. But luckily with the tow truck update, I should be able to get it out with the tow truck. So where I think it is right over here where my truck is. So yeah, we're just going to go find the truck and go get it cleaned up. Take it to the car wash, go get a new paint job on it. I should get some cones. Oh my god, do not go to parking brake there. Let me get some cones. Might as well, for the safety precautions. And you. Oh my gosh, so much harder to play on computer. Go through the open, please. Your automatic doors. Thank you. Enter semi. Really cool attachments for this truck. Really cool. I was playing with the tow truck a little bit earlier today, and it's very slow. Also, you do need to put the anchors down. I almost flipped over off a bridge earlier when I was playing with it. Testing the capabilities. Comment down below if I should do that as a video. Okay, I think it should just be down here. Actually, I don't know how to look at the turn signals. I have no idea what the keys are. I'm going to research that. It's over here. Okay, down. Okay, so I gotta kind of like back up. Okay. Okay. Function. I don't think I need to put down the cones. Function. Okay. Okay, it's lowering. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so this one should be unfolding perfect. I'm gonna try to lift the whole truck off the ground with these. Okay, front is off. Okay. Lowering the whole thing. Okay, whole truck is off the ground. Okay, so if I have to go back up. So the truck's right there. Swing right, nope, swing left. I was so confused how to use the tow truck earlier. Honestly, I was so confused. I probably spent 10 minutes researching how to hook up the whole thing. I keep moving. Okay, that looks about good. Extend. Okay, I think I should go over a little bit more. Okay, extending. Is that good? Let me see. Nope. I'll go way more. I have like a pair of overalls still in this murky water. This should be able to reach it. I'm extending it. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Okay. You have to click it once to deconnect it from the actual crane. And then you have to click it again to be able to connect it to all of it. Okay, retract. So I'm going to pull this out. I'm not going to tow it like this. I'm going to put it on the actual, like, You hook it up to like the end. Okay, that should be good. Oh my God, I'm getting so confused. Swing, wait, is it swing right? Yeah, okay. Swing right. Oh my gosh. Swing right. Oh God, that's a tree. Retract. Okay, pulling it up. Why does it keep going down the slide back? I have to pull. Okay, almost there. I'm gonna pull over to there's a little parking lot-ish area over. Hopefully, I think the engine's still running. I don't think I ever shut it off when it crashed. Okay. Alright, I have to do all the clamps. These are kind of annoying. The other ones retract up. These one you have actually the back ones you have to manually raise. Which I kind of understand, but also at the same time it's kind of stupid. Okay, now I can drive it over here and get it hooked up to the back of the truck. Like I said, this truck does not go into 4-wheel drive, which is super annoying. But it is what it is. I am getting this truck stuck constantly, trying to get the trucks out. So now I have to. I should be going down, right? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay, so I need to go down to here. It's disconnected. Okay, back to here. Then we have to do some parkour. E. And then I should pull forward on this. And it should be ready to put on the back. I gotta pull this forward, get it lined up with the truck. It's like, I'm trying to get it. Okay, that should be like perfect. That's like perfectly lined up. That is perfect. And now I'm gonna get the functions ready. It is part of, wait, where is the Stinger? Yeah, that's what it's called. Okay, unfold. Then it should automatically connect to the truck. Once I back this up. I'm gonna retract. Oh, come on, that's definitely not how close it gets, but I'm not gonna fight with it. It's gonna take 10 more minutes for me to fight with it. Okay, so back up. Okay, so good, it's connected. Okay, so now I have to make it back to the car wash to get this truck washed off. I made it to the car wash, so now I have to disconnect that and then pull up the Stinger. Please. This always happens. Yeah. Also, with the new update, a lot of people are disappointed because it was supposed to be like motorcycles and stuff. That's what a lot of people wanted, but ended up being just the new truck. Wait, no, I passed Stinger. Yeah. Okay, fold. Oh my God, that should not be connected. It is not connected. It's just stuck. Oh no, it is connected. Okay, I still want to make sure that's up because I'm going to drive with it and get stuck on something. my god, why I can't? Oh my god, Okay. Gotta. Oh my gosh, wow, let's move. Fold. Okay, this. Okay, number. I don't want this to take too long with the truck and the car wash. I'm just gonna drive it through at like a somewhat slow speed, but it takes like a minute to get through on a normal time. I think my turning's all like, damn it. I don't actually. I'm just gonna go around the gate. I really don't care. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm not paying my toll to get my car washed, my truck washed. Okay, going through. Not sure if there's any dirt on it at all, but still want to make sure. Okay, did not get any of the rust off. I mean, what do I expect? Okay, gonna drive it over here. So glad this still runs. Okay. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this in. Except, okay. Paint. I'm going to do this. Okay, nice. The body is good. Bed liner, I also need to do some sandpaper, if you know what I mean. Okay, exterior, rims. This is bolt primary. No, I don't need to do that. Primary, I know why. Okay, now secondary. Gotta paint over, gotta get rid of all this rust. Okay. Rims. Frame. Yeah, the frame's really rusty. No, that's just springs itself. I want the actual, like, yeah. Gotta make sure this truck is nice and polished. Gotta make sure this is very nice. Almost done. I think this is it. Oh, and the toolbox. Okay, frame. I think there's also attachments. Perfect. Okay, now the color of the actual truck. Okay, exterior. What color? Maybe just like a full-on black. That looks ridiculous, but I actually kind of like it. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the bed liner. Yeah. Okay, so bed liner. I'm probably just gonna make that another. Actually, you know what? I'll make it like a. Actually, why won't this work? Please, thank you. Can I make it full black? I think I should leave it. Like a nice gray, kind of make it look kind of realistic. That reflection looks really nice. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be bright white. I think it's fine. Actually, no, I think I should color that. That's gonna annoy me. Okay, lower that. I think that should be good. What the heck? Oh, it's this frame itself. That's springs. I want primary. Okay, secondary. Oh my gosh. I hate lag. Who likes it? Let's be honest. Oh my god, please. There we go. Perfect. Brand new, like 2015 RAM, but at least it's in perfect condition. Thanks to me restoring it. And if you want to hear me talk about the new update in Americans Playing Mudding, please like and subscribe. And enjoy the rest of your day.